I predict that AI will fully automate the jobs of neurologists. And the reason for that is because the the job of a neurologist doesn't involve any physical interaction with the patients. When um a patient comes to see a neurologist, uh, the neurologist doesn't need to touch the patient, doesn't need to perform any like hands-on procedures on the patient. It's all a verbal communication between the neurologist and the patient. For example, let's say a patient who has epilepsy, and the epilepsy patient sees his or her neurologist once every 6 months to provide updates on their symptoms of their epilepsy, if they have any seizures, how often, and the severity of those seizures, in order for the neurologist to type the report in their system, in their record, and to determine if there is a need to update the prescription, whether it's the dosage of the prescription, that specific prescription, or if the patient needs to be switched to a different prescription that is more suitable to control that patient's seizures, to prevent those seizures from occurring. And um, and so we can see that neurologists, they don't need to touch the patient and do any type of hands-on procedure on the patients when they interact with their patients. It's all verbal interaction, communication with patients. And this type of job, the job of a neurologist, a doctor, AI would be able to fully do that job on its own, and it would be able to do that job at a much more efficient, better, and faster way than human neurologists. Um, I can see, for example, my assumption is that it can be even more convenient for the patients to be seen by an AI neurologist than a human neurologist, because technically it can be done from home. An epilepsy patient can have a video call with an AI neurologist and describe his or her symptoms, and the AI neurologist will be able to provide an updated prescription to control the seizures. And another setup that would also work is cameras can be placed in the medical offices with a microphone, and when a patient would come in, the AI would record the live meeting in the medical office, and they can be like a conversation between the patient and the AI, and the AI can be, for example, on a computer where it's a video call, and the entire interaction is a video and audio recorded, and the AI would be able to provide feedback and provide much more accurate, much more effective medications for the patients.